Oh wow! Hello there! I know you clicked this video because you want to earn money, right? And what if I tell you that in today's video, we can earn money up to $1,975 per month? Exciting, right? I want you to watch carefully and listen to everything that will be said in this video because I don't want to waste your time and not earn money at all. I know you're super excited in today's video, but before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cashflow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new contents on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and/or any suggestions. This is an app I'm pretty sure none of you have ever heard before. But believe it or not, it can make you a lot of money. Now what this app basically does is, it helps other people with either their website or Google Ads to get more traffic for a small amount of money. The way it accomplishes that is seen right over here. Spyfu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they've bought on Google Ads, every organic rank and every ad variation in the last 15 years. So as you've seen, this tool essentially spies on more successful competitors and allows people to replicate the success of said competitors, thus the name Spyfu. Now this may sound a bit complicated and overwhelming at the moment, which is why I urge you to stay with me, because we will not be paying for this tool first and foremost. Secondly, it's not nearly as complex as it may seem. And in fact, you don't even need to know how website traffic works, what any of these things mean, so it's a very easy strategy. Now there is a lot more to this app that you can read if you want to, but as I said, you don't really need to know anything more apart from the fact that it increases traffic to websites and various advertisers on Google. So what you need to do, when you come on their homepages, scroll down to the bottom and then click on affiliates right here. Now Spyfu is absolutely fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and it's mainly because of these recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. So let me break down what this means. If someone you referred to here keeps paying Spyfu for like a year, that means throughout the entire year, you will get 40% of what they pay to the app. A quick interruption, guys! Down in the comment section below, please comment which country you're from so we can get to know each other better. And also, I can create videos that is specifically available in your country. Now let's go back, which is huge. So you have 3 very important things to remember about their affiliate program. Number 1, it pays a lot. Number 2, it's in recurring commissions, making it the go app for someone looking to make money in passive income. And the third thing that makes recurring commissions that much better is that people will need this simply because they will be getting a huge profit. Yes, they do pay Spyfu, but they will be getting a huge return of that investment, which will of course encourage them to keep using it for longer periods of time. Actually, on this page, you'll see soon enough exactly how many people stop using this app after they start. I'll get to that in just a second. In any case, people sticking around means you will be able to earn money even if you refer a small amount of people to the app. Anyways, if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see more info about their affiliate program. So they have a 365-day tracking cookie. What this means is that when you send someone to your affiliate link, they don't sign up through that link right away. But if they do so, in literally a single year, you will still get paid nonetheless. This is an excellent feature because just as it says below, not every visitor converts right then. So this allows you to earn money even if people you referred to don't sign up right away. The next thing you can see is that you get paid twice a month. More importantly, through PayPal or wire transfer. I know that many of you love PayPal, so it's for sure available with the app. Here you can see that this app allows you to earn money in true passive income. Here's exactly what I was saying before. With less than a 4% churn rate, Spyfu customers rarely leaving your recurring commissions holding real value. So only a mere 4% of people stop using this for laughter. They start this further by showing just how much potential the sample offers. Most people you refer to here won't stop using it. So the app that will actually be paying us today is called Spyfu.com, which is one of the best features of this app's affiliate program. The last thing you can read on this page are their frequently asked questions. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which you've put a lot of time and energy to actually do. With Spite, just simply click on Start Earning every month right over here. Create your account and grab your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we move on to the traffic sources, something I know you will want to know, which is how much money are we talking about here? You can check this out yourselves by clicking on pricing right here. Anyways, this app offers people 3 different pricing plans: basic, professional, and team, all 3 of which offer annual and monthly pricing. Options with the latter being slightly more expensive than the professional plan. It's not too expensive, but also not too cheap. Just think about it like this. If you bring 10 people here and they all take the annual professional plan, that is already nearly $3,000 a year in pure passive income for just 10 people, since you get recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. So the app can definitely make you a lot of money with that. Let me now show you how you will be getting traffic to that affiliate link. What you need to do is come over to Google. And the first thing you need to do is make sure your ad block is turned off. So Google will show you ads when you search for something, and what you'll need to search for this stuff that will show you ads. So for example, I search for business, and there are quite a few ads popping up, but it doesn't have to be business related. Our goal here is for Google to show us ads, so you can search for a product of some sort or whatever the reason. We're doing this because these advertisers will be our customers. But there are 2 important factors here. First, don't open up ads that show up on the very first page of Google, but the ones that you find on the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th page. Let me elaborate a bit why we're doing this. These advertisers are giving Google hundreds of dollars daily, but if they're not on their first page of Google, that means they're losing like 90% of the potential traffic in turn. This means that they're losing a lot of money. Since they are advertising, we know that they have a decently large budget, so they will be more than willing to give a try in order to get more traffic to their ads. Now your goal is to open up one of these ads and find their contact info, like their Instagram page, Facebook page, email address, or whatever it may be. For me, I found their social media info at the bottom right here. You'll now contact these people and tell them contact these people and tell them the benefits of Spite. Just go through all of its features and tell them that it's a great investment for them. You will do all of this for all the different advertisers you find, and the majority of them will be much willing to give a Spy a try. I can guarantee you that. However, that is not all I have for you today. In case you don't exactly know what to search for a site called Infinite, Suggest.com will be a huge help to you. This will give you a keyword suggestions for those who don't know what keyword is, a word or group of words people type in when searching for something. And so if you type in business like I did, then it will show you all of these keyword suggestions. And each time you search one of this, different ads will pop up. And in that way, You won't run out of potential clients ever. You will be able to easily find many of them and simply repeat the process over and over again. Make thousands of dollars passively, and that is exactly how you make money online. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!